if you have put your phone in silent mode, but still when you plug the lighting cable to your iPhone, in order to charge the iPhone, you will hear the buzzing sound. So if you want to disable the buzzing sound while charging, then what you do is open settings, go to this option sound and haptics, go down here, and there is an option system haptics. So if you disable this option, you will not be able to, you won't hear the buzzing sound when you put the lighting cable in order to charge your iPhone. Now remember that this might also disable the buzzing sound for some other functions.